We'll give it one little run and then we can hand the car back over. Welcome back, guys, to another video, and today is basically another follow-up of my last video of my C63. And as you can probably remember, I'll put a photo up of here, and the link for the old video is in the description. It was wrapped in Nardo Grey. It is a C63 AMG with the Performance Pack, so it's 487 horsepower, and it's got a nice little bit on it, which is, it's been straight piped, so it sounds absolutely mad. Honestly, absolutely mad. But I've had all the wrap taken off, had a couple of other bits and bobs done, and there is a bit of a plot twist here as well, because which I'll go through later on in the video, so do watch that. Yeah, so what I thought I'll do is I've just noticed there's bird poo on there as well, so yeah, we'll go around the car, just see what it looks like, and then let me know what you think. Honestly, this car actually in its original colour looks absolutely fantastic. The grey I wasn't a big fan of, but I bought it with the intention of getting the wrap taken off. But yeah, you let me know what you think, and check it out. There it is, the C63 AMG back in its original, I think it's obsidian black something. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you think, because I honestly think this car looks way better in this actual state than that ridiculous Nardo Grey wrap that it had on it. Yeah, that wrap might have been to somebody's taste, but it most certainly wasn't to mine. But I mean, look at this car like this, and it's just mega. It stands out like a sore thumb in a positive way. Now, last time, before the wrap was taken off, it did stand out like a sore thumb, but not because in a positive way. But now it's actually quite a mega car, and the black with the red calipers really does look good. It's got a few watermarks on it, hard water from where it's been washed, but I mean, just look at this thing. It's absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. And just in case you've forgotten, it's actually also got carbon steering wheel. It has got like a roof lighting, star lighting kit, and the best part of it is a very low mileage car, so it's a win-win situation. It's actually a very slick looking Merc, and obviously with the Rep 507 wheels, side skirt extensions, rear spats, carbon spoiler which is standard, carbon spoiler up there. Performance Lifestyles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, and if you'd like your car featured, drop us an email, pflifestyle@hotmail.com, and we'll get your car on there. But yeah, black badges. I mean, if you want to see the spec and the stuff on this car, check out our previous video, which, like I did say, it's like I said, the link is in the description, so do check that out. And this car is mega. On a serious note, this car is actually an amazing car. Even though we went for a quick little drive on it last time, we'll go for a quick little blast on it now, purely because it's a straight pipe C63, and I'm sure everybody wants to hear a 6.2 V8 rumbling away with no silencers on it, and this fits the bill just fine. So even if from the back end, I think it's just a mega looking car. The black with the tinted lights and stuff, I think it's just got that real slick sort of look going for it. And obviously the diffuser and the Brabus tailpipes and stuff, black badges, everything's just blacked out. It's like a proper pimped up C63. And honestly, if you're into C63s, this is actually one of the better ones, because it's got the Performance Pack on it. It doesn't have the LSD, which I believe is the P31 code, option code, but it does have the Performance Pack, which is the forged internals like the SLS and stuff. So yeah, I'm sure you all know about this, and if not, then watch the previous video and I'll go through that in a bit more detail. So yeah, this was just a quick little video, and like I said, then I'll tell you what the plan with this, well, what's actually happened. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll go for a quick little blast, and then I'll let you know what I've actually gone ahead and done, and yeah, and let us know what you think to the car now compared to what it was before. I'll put a side-by-side photo up here so you can see that as well. Yeah, and you get the drift. We'll catch you on the drive. So as expected, it still drives the same as what it did with the wrap on, obviously, but just thought we'll get another drive little video in. And yeah, this thing is absolutely mega. It's so good to drive. It is a C63. It's a bit on the louder side, but what do you expect from a straight pipe C63? It's got the roar, it's got the rumble, it's got the looks, it's got the power, it's got everything you could want. If you're not too shy, this is one of them cars for you. Move my jacket out of the way of the mic. Honestly, this thing is absolutely mega. Put it into sports mode. Oh, it starts crackling and popping, even though it's not been remapped. I think it's purely because of the straight pipe to oh, what a machine. Now, the thing with this is, I've actually sold the car a little while ago, mind you. It was probably a good couple of months ago, but it was sold to somebody local, so I had to deal with the guy that, look, I need to make a video of the car with the wrap off because I didn't get a chance whilst I still had it. And yeah, basically I sold the car, and I have bought another car, which the video will be up here on the channel very, very soon, over the next week or two, so do watch that out. And it is another performance car. It is German, so let me know what you think I've got. Let me know what you think in the comment section as to what I've bought to replace this, because and one thing I'm telling you, that car, you will absolutely love it as well. Just like this, that is another mega car. It's something that I was after for a while. It come up for sale, and this car already had like a buyer lined up anyway, so it was I took the opportunity, sold this car, and I've bought that. So let us know what you think I've bought. For the local lads that are probably watching it, you probably know, but let me know what you think. It is, you'll love it. Like I said, watch this space. In the next couple of weeks, the video will be on the channel, so watch this space. It is another mega car. Because I haven't driven this car for a couple of months, 6 weeks or so, you forget how good these things are. And this thing obviously sounds way louder than my new car, but it just, yeah, it brings that grin back on your face ultimately all the time. Ooh, waking the whole neighborhood up at first thing on a Sunday morning is probably not a good thing, and we're getting some dirty looks from some older people, so I apologize in advance. But there's certain people in the area who wanted to hear a straight pipe C63 first thing in the morning, so this is for them people, and apologies to everybody else. Oh, this thing is absolutely bloody awesome. A little bit of a bridge. That is mega. I've missed that V8 roar, that straight pipe V8 roar. I genuinely have missed that. That is absolutely awesome. Just got horned out by some person behind me. I probably annoyed him, but never mind, never mind. I don't understand what the problem is. I didn't really cause him no harm. Probably heard a bit of a V8 rumble first thing on a Sunday morning. What more could he want? We'll give it one little run and then we can hand the car back over. Oh, what a beauty. What a beauty. Right, I think that's enough for today. I need to go give the car back. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the look of the car now as it is without the silly wrap on. So yeah, And like I mentioned before, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and we've even got a few videos up on TikTok. And if you'd like your car featured, drop us an email, pflifestyle@hotmail.com, and we will be more than happy to get it on the channel. But yeah, and in the comment section, do let us know what you think I've bought to replace this. It'll be good to see what you guys think. But yeah, as per usual, guys, stay safe, and we will catch you on the next video.
Ha ha ha!